Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Now that you've learned the basics, we'll dive deeper into the details of inspecting and maintaining your bearings for long-lasting safety and performance. Tools and materials needed for inspection. Before you start checking your trailer's wheel bearings, it helps to gather everything you'll need in one spot. With the right tools on hand, the inspection goes faster and you avoid scrambling for missing items mid-job. Safety matters, too. Having the proper gear can keep you and your trailer in good shape from start to finish. Essential tools for the job. You don't need a fancy toolbox, just a few common tools most folks already have at home or in their garage. Grab these before you get started. Jack and jack stands. You'll need to lift and secure the trailer safely off the ground. Lug wrench or tire iron. Perfect for removing wheel lug nuts. Flathead screwdriver or small pry bar. Useful for popping off dust caps. Pliers. Handy for pulling cotter pins or adjusting parts. Adjustable wrench or socket set. Lets you remove the bearing nut and other fasteners. Hammer or mallet. Tapping hubs and breaking loose rusted parts is easier with a little muscle. Grease gun or bearing packer. When you finish your check, fresh grease protects bearings. Inspection materials. Disposable gloves. Gloves keep your hands clean and help grip slick parts. Rags or shop towels. Wipe off old grease and clean out hubs. Trailer grade bearing grease. Always use high-temp wheel bearing grease. Non-contact thermometer. For measuring hub temperature on a hot or long haul. Basic safety equipment. Wheel chocks. Place them on the opposite wheels to keep the trailer from rolling. Eye protection. Grease and dirt can fly when prying or pounding. Protective clothing. Wear old clothes or a shop apron. Step-by-step guide to checking trailer wheel bearings. Secure the trailer safely. Park your trailer on a flat, level surface. Engage the parking brake and chock the wheels. Lift the trailer with a jack and secure it with jack stands. Remove the trailer wheel. Loosen lug nuts while the wheel is on the ground. Lift the trailer and remove the wheel completely. Visual inspection of bearings and seals. Remove the dust cap gently. Clean off old grease. Check for rust, pitting, metal flakes, or worn seals. Check for bearing play and roughness. Rock the hub at top and bottom. Minimal play is normal. Spin the hub. It should move smoothly without noise. Reassemble the wheel and test. Apply new grease if needed. Reinstall all parts in correct order. Torque lug nuts correctly. Spin the wheel to ensure smoothness. Take a short test drive and check hub temperature. How often should wheel bearings be checked or replaced? Typical inspection and replacement frequency. Inspect bearings once a year or every 12,000 miles. Repack grease annually. Replace bearings if pitting, rust, or discoloration appears. Usage and environment matter. Boat trailers. Check after water exposure. Heavy loads. Inspect every 6,000 to 8,000 miles. Dusty roads. Check and re-grease every 6 months. Following manufacturer recommendations. Check the manual for schedule and grease type. Use high-temp trailer grease. Torque parts to the correct specs. Lifespan of wheel bearings. Good bearings can last 15,000 to 30,000 miles with care. Replace at first sign of noise, roughness, or damage. Quick reference: when to inspect or replace wheel bearings. Every 12 months or 12,000 miles. After water exposure. Before and after long road trips. At the first sign of wear or heat. Pro tips for maintaining trailer wheel bearings. Always use the right grease, and use plenty. Use trailer grade, high-temp grease. Coat bearings thoroughly. Keep spare grease with you. Stick to a routine inspection schedule. Annually for most trailers. After every boat launch. Every few months in dusty or heavy use. Don't ignore warning signs. Act fast on grinding, noise, or heat. Clean and re-grease each time you service. Remove all old grease first. Only reuse smooth, bright bearings. Replace seals and cotter pins every time. Always install new seals and pins. Keep dust caps tight. Replace damaged or missing caps immediately. Know when to call a professional. Get help if you see blue metal, vibration, or aren't sure about repairs. Quick tips for ongoing bearing health. Wipe dirt off hubs before each trip. Check tire pressure regularly. Carry spare bearings and tools. A few minutes of care saves a heap of trouble later. Keeping up with trailer wheel bearing maintenance gives you peace of mind and a smoother ride every time. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.